Hey, today I'm really excited to show something to you that actually was shown to me by one of my followers on Instagram. It is supposedly the most awesome device when it comes to controlling the security of your family, including on their mobile devices. Let's go order one and let's see what it does. So this is the Circle with Disney. It's a device we put onto our network. And what it does is it allows us parents to control our kids' usage of their devices. So some of the really cool things or features that this device provides for us parents is, one, we have the ability to filter content based off categories. So I can say, you know what, I don't want them looking at hate speech, or I don't want them looking at, lingerie, whatever the case may be, whatever you determine is inappropriate for your family. We can also pause the internet. See what I did there? So that we can say, hey, dinner time, and I can hit pause, and everybody's devices pause, and they got to come eat dinner, whether they like it or not. We can also go through and set up time limits. You know, that their devices can't be used between 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. Just automatically turns it off, which is really cool. We can also get usage reports as well as set up rewards. Rewards like maybe they did an extra chore, so hey, you get an extra half hour. One of the best features, though, is called Bedtime.
What?
Yeah, Bedtime. This allows me to set the bedtime schedule for my kids' devices.
That's not a very cool feature.
Oh, it's a very cool feature. So to set... Hey, as parents are going to set this up so you can get out of here. Okay, so let's take a look at the settings for this particular device. So a couple of side notes here. The first one is this. This particular device, you can purchase this if your router doesn't support it natively. Yeah, guess what? NETGEAR is partnered with Circle with Disney and includes basically the software inside of it. All you have to do is set it up. Now, it's only included in some specific NETGEAR routers, and we'll include links to those routers in the description below. Okay, so that's the Circle with Disney. As a parent, I think I kind of like this particular device. What do you think, Gabe?
I like the rewards because I can do extra things around the house and then I can get more screen time.
If he's not grounded, right?
Yeah, if I'm not grounded.
He's not grounded that much. So everything you saw me do today was part of their free plan that comes with the device itself. They do have a premium plan that allows you to control the device or devices that your children are using even if they're not at home. Think about that one for a second. We now have all control. Listen, if you can do me a favor, if you want to buy the product, hit our affiliation link down below. It'll take you directly to Amazon where you can purchase it, and that'll help support this channel. Until then, I think I'm a big fan. Big fan?
A little bit.
Yeah, we'll work on it.
Oh, hey, you guys are still there? Well, my dad's not here, but I know how to do this. Make sure to follow us and hit that notification bell and make sure to hit that subscription button as well. And thanks for watching.
Hey, Gabe, what are you doing?
Nothing.